how to make a quick ghost sucker. You're going to need a stamp set that has a smiley face, and we're going to use the Cutest Halloween, and we're using this smiley face here. You're going to need a black ink pad, one coffee filter, regular size, and some twine or ribbon. And we'll go ahead and get started. We're going to stamp the smiley face on the coffee filter, not in the middle, just a little bit below the middle, just like that. Cut our twine. Wrap it around. Wrap our twine around, or I'm using cord. Tie it once, tie it twice, and if you want to tie a bow, you can tie a little bow